November 7 Delta Hotel, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
17 clear for takeoff, Vision Jet 547 Delta Hotel.
Alrighty, we're clear right.
Clear right.
Clear left.
Clear left.
You can go landing light and probe heat.
Landing light, probe heat.
Perfect.
Both on.
Cessna 9 Bravo Delta, base your discretion, runway 17, cleared touch and go. Base on discretion, cleared touch and go, 17, 9 Bravo Delta.
Oh, they're packing them in. All right, I see 17. That's what we're looking for. I don't see any birds.
Nope, clear final, clear down the runway.
Clear down the runway. Need a little bit of power to get me over the hump here.
Yep.
And it's brakes, full power?
You can. We can do that in this case, sure, since we're stopped.
Okay, sure. Ready?
Yep.
All right,
Brake.
thrust all the way through, take off power.
Gonna feel it spool. There we go. And it's indicating T, and we can release the brakes.
Power set,
Nice.
brakes off.
There you go. Little bit of left. There you go.
All right,
Now rudders are going to start working a little bit better here.
yeah.
A little bit of left. Go. A bit of left. Engine gauge screen. Airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive, looking for 85.
Yep. A little bit of right aileron.
Okay.
There you go. And rotate. Rotate. There you go. Born. Yep. Just pitching for that flight director.
Okay, on the mustache.
Positive rate. Gear can come up.
Positive rate, gear up.
Out and up. There you go. Heads up.
Gear's coming up. I think I need to trim a little bit.
Yep. So you'll
November
probably
7
need quite a
Delta
bit of
Hotel,
down.
contact Seattle departure.
Your radio.
Forward departure, 7 Delta Hotel, see you.
Cool. And then
We're at MCT.
Yep. 115 flaps can come up.
115, flaps up.
Good.
1 mile final.
Good.
20, clear to land. Bringing that speed back now. We're a little over VREF plus
There you go,
20.
yeah. Just whatever you do, don't pull it idle.
I'm not going to pull it idle.
Perfect.
VREF plus 10. Yaw damper disengaged.
There you go. Now you can get that.
Minimum.
Nice.
Minimum.
Okay.
Okay.
There's BRAF over the numbers.
Okay, crossing at the donut.
Go idle.
Idle.
And then just keep your pitch down a little bit. There you go. A little bit of left and then flare. And you touched. A little bit of right. Perfect. And then full aft. Nice. And then, yep, slowly applying the brakes. Cool. And we'll roll down to the next one.
Cool.
That's normal.
Roger.
Clear final.
Clear final.
Clear left. We've got flaps there. Good, good.
Clear
Right
runway. No birds, no wildlife, no fog.
foot. Clear runway.
Clear runway. All right, so we can do a rolling takeoff like
Yep,
you're talking about?
we sure can.
All right, then that's what we're going to do. Pushing through MCT, takeoff power.
All right.
Set.
And gauges are all indicating green. Yep. Off the brakes.
I think I'm off the brake.
There, now you are.
Oh boy.
Airspeed alive.
Airspeed's alive. $85.
And rotate.
Rotate.
Slow, slow, slow. Yep, rotate, rotate. There you go, nice. And positive rate.
Positive rate, gear up.
Nice.
All right, landing gear down and lock.
Airspeed.
Flaps 100%. Yep. Okay. Cap pressure differential about 0. Windshield IPS off. And we're 100 feet from minimums.
Cool. Yep, we're there.
There's VREF plus 10.
Tacoma Tower, Cessna 126 Romeo Bravo, holding short, Alpha 1 for runway 17. Cessna 126 Romeo Bravo,
Little fast.
Hold short, runway 17, 126 Romeo Bravo.
Minimum. Minimum.
Okay,
Manual.
connect. And then then just slowly pulling the power back. Go power idle here.
Out now?
Yep, go for it. Just keep the pitch down. There you go, and then assumed attitude, just hold just like that. There you go.
Oh, that was nice. I enjoyed that. I think we'll go to the end, or A3.
Yep.
Maybe I didn't have the thrust all the way back.
7 Delta Hotel, turn left Alpha 3, contact ground point 8.
Left on Alpha 3, ground point 8, 7 Delta Hotel.